सो ये है कहानी प्रीतमपुरा की, जिसके प्रधान है प्रधान सिंह। वैसे नाम के लिए वो प्रधान है, असल में इलेक्टेड उनकी बीवी है। सारा कारोबार प्रधान सिंह देखते हैं। सो व्हाट वी नो अबाउट प्रधान सिंह और हेड ऑफ द village is mostly it is male who is elderly, who is most of the times elected, sometimes get themselves elected. The picture that comes to our mind about any pradhan is usually a person who is in his 40s 50s riding a bullet or a big car entering into the village, because he has to maintain his image. He is more careful and he desires that respect, that I am the pradhan. So these are the things which we are pretty much aware about the village heads. What we don't know actually about the village heads, and we introspect, that is how the education background of the pradhan is going to influence or affect the development into that village, or how his political alignment is going to influence the work into the village. What are the fears or the insecurities that the pradhan or the village head also has, though he is probably the most powerful person, perceived as the powerful person into the village. Also, we would like to know, growing into the modern era, how tech savvy these village heads are, and how whether they are pro for these kind of things. So that is something which this is the first point that we wanted to elaborate. Going to the second point is the daily routine of the village head. What we know usually is it is the village head, so he is probably the highest authority into the village. So he doesn't have to work much, but he also has an office to lead. He also has office to attend. So in a daily routine, at his convenience, he visits his office. He does some meetings. Meeting people in the village is his routine work. Meeting the service providers is routine work. Having some community meetings is routine work. To attend the social functions in the community, because the pradhan is called to households, to functions, to give speech and inaugurate the things. He also has to, so though he is the head of the village, he also has authorities above him at the taluka level, at the district level. So he has to report to the higher authorities like BDOs and the district magistrate and all. What we don't know, or we want to learn more about the pradhan, our group has pointed out how the decision making process is followed by a pradhan, particularly with respect to the health service deliveries. Is the pradhan really concerned about village or community, the cleanliness, water sanitation and education, the social sector, social components, or how much those components mean to him? To what extent he takes community opinions while making the decisions? Does he meet the frontline functionaries like the ASHA workers, the ANMs, and if yes, then how often? And does he interfere? To what extent he interferes with the functioning of the health functionaries? So that is about the daily routine. Going to the journey, we have identified 2 points. So here is the intent and the point of service. We have tried to enlist the enablers and the barriers with respect to intent and the point of service. The first point is the enabler is ownership of the issue or articulation by top political leadership. Like we have been seeing that if something is decided by the ruling party, then it comes as an agenda, and that becomes easy for any pradhan or any village head to implement into his village. So this ownership of the issue is very important enabler for implementation of any important flagship program. Then also the follow from the higher authorities. Like I said, even pradhan, though he is head of the village, he has to report to the higher authorities. So if there is a follow from district magistrate or follow from the tehsil office, then he keeps that issue at focus. Now there are certain barriers like the personal engagement. So even if the pradhan is there, the head of the family, head of the village, he also has his own personal engagement. He also has his own personal experiences which decides how he will react to the flagship programs or any other programs. With respect to point of service, these are not directly related to the Pradhan, but definitely the environment around the working of the Pradhan affect this. So these are lack of the service, geographical and cultural barriers. These are the barriers. The enablers are the social capital or the volunteers at the village level, which are at the hand of Pradhan, the financial supports and provisions, and the supervision from the IS level. And if there are any special campaigns run from the national level, so the village level, it becomes easy for Pradhan to implement those things. Thank you. If the group wants to add.
Thank you.